Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change background color for entire Divi page. So let's log in into our Divi website, and after that let's edit one of the page. Click here, enable Fuel Builder. Now here you can see Divi Builder is loading, so it works as same like Elementor page builder. Now if you want to set a background color for entire Divi page, just you can click on three dots. After that here you can see setting option, click here. Now scroll down and here you can find out background. After that here you can see we have two options, content area background color as well as set background color. Now we can use these both options. Let's see the difference. Now here you can see we have selected section background color, and let's try this one. So now here you can see this is the main thing that we can use. So this is for entire page in Divi. After that click here save, then final step is save. So in this way you can easily set the any background color for any Divi page.